This 2023 Lincoln Navigator came in for window tint, paint protection film, and a ceramic coating. So we applied our top level i3 ceramic tint in our North Carolina legal 35% shade on all of the side windows and the back glass. So we did tint over top of the factory tint just to make them a little bit darker. And we applied our clear ceramic on the full front windshield, which is North Carolina legal. And then we also put our i3 ceramic up on the panoramic roof as well in a very light 70% shade. So they're getting 93% infrared heat rejection all the way around up on the roof and 68% infrared heat rejection on the front windshield, which also helps protect the interior as well. And then for the paint protection film, we applied our full front package with a few add-on areas. So there's coverage on the full hood, the full front bumper, headlights and fog lights, the fenders all the way to the back, mirror caps, and then we added on the A pillars, the roof line, the B pillars, and then we also did the door cups and the door edges for just some extra protection on the doors. And then on the rest of the vehicle, we applied our 6-year Autobahn ceramic coating, which is a base coat with our ceramics and a top coat with our light. And again, all the products we use are Autobahn. And then we also finished it off with a glass coating on all the side windows, back and front windshield with our Autobahn water coating for the glass. So this vehicle is fully protected on the front on all the areas that get hit the most, and it has a ceramic coating to make it hydrophobic and easy to wash from front to back.